On average, humans share 99.9% of their DNA. The remaining 0.1%, about 3 million bases, makes each person unique. These differences can be used to distinguish individuals by comparing short, repetitive DNA sequences that vary greatly among people. Early methods compared sequences up to 100 bases long, called mini satellites, to create unique DNA pattern or DNA fingerprint. Modern techniques now use even shorter sequences called microsatellites. Except for identical twins, it's highly unlikely for two people to have the same DNA fingerprint and is identical across all cells in the body, remaining unchanged by any treatment. Mini satellites are composed of repetitive DNA sequences that are 10 to 60 base pairs long, while microsatellites consist of short DNA repetitive sequences ranging from 1 to 6 base pairs, sometimes up to 10. Mini satellites typically repeat 5 to 50 times within the genome, while microsatellites repeat more frequently, often 5 to 100 times. Mini satellites are primarily found in telomeres and centromeres, while microsatellites mostly located in non-coding regions of the genome but can sometimes be found in coding regions. Mini satellites are rich in cytosine and guanine bases, while microsatellites contain more thymine and adenine bases. Mini satellites are less commonly used in modern DNA profiling techniques, primarily used in early fingerprinting methods. Microsatellites are widely used in modern DNA profiling, forensic analysis, and genetic studies. Short tandem repeats are repeating sequences of 2 to 6 base pairs of DNA that occur throughout the genome. These sequences are highly variable between individuals, making them valuable for genetic profiling. STR analysis involves amplifying these repeat regions using PCR and then separating and quantifying the fragments through gel electrophoresis or capillary electrophoresis. The resulting patterns of STR create a unique genome fingerprint for each individual, which is widely used in forensic sciences, paternity testing, and genetic research. STRs are advantageous because they are abundant in genome, highly polymorphic, and their analysis is relatively straightforward and reliable. Variable number tandem repeats are regions of DNA where a short sequence of nucleotides is repeated multiple times in a row. The number of these repeats varies between individuals, making VNTRs useful for genetic profiling. VNTR analysis involves extracting DNA, amplifying the VNTR regions using PCR, and then separating the amplified fragments through gel electrophoresis to determine the number of repeats. This variability in repeat number provides a unique genetic signature for each individual. VNTRs are commonly used in forensic science, paternity testing, population genetic studies due to their high variability and ability to differentiate between individuals.